Hello my dear friends, welcome to the Oliver's channel. In this video we are going to solve a challenging and engaging math question together. What is the value of the expression 10 minus 10 then multiplied by 10 minus 10? Which option do you think is the correct answer to this question? This math question has tricked many people into choosing the wrong option. Let's break it down and solve it together. Most of the time, people start solving this problem by doing 10 minus 10 first, which I have highlighted in yellow, and they write this expression as 0 times 10 minus 10. In the next step, they go for 0 times 10 and say that this expression simplifies to 0 minus 10. And finally, the answer becomes negative 10. Then, without any hesitation, they quickly say that the correct answer to this question is option B. However, this answer is absolutely wrong. Also, some people when solving such a problem first do 10 minus 10, which I have highlighted in yellow, and replace it with 0. Then they do the other 10 minus 10, which I have highlighted in blue, and replace it with 0 as well. Finally, they say 0 times 0 must be equal to 0. And immediately they claim that option C is the correct answer to this question. But I have to say we were tricked and it's not the correct answer to this question. Now let me show you how to solve this expression properly. To solve this question, we need to follow a rule that is called PEMDAS. In this rule, P stands for parenthesis, E stands for exponent, M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, and S stands for subtraction. We have to follow the order of operations I told you, step by step from top to bottom. Alright, as you can see in the image, in this expression, we have one multiplication sign and two subtraction signs. We must start with multiplication, because multiplication has a higher priority than subtraction. So, we can write this expression as 10 minus 100 minus 10. In the next step, we calculate 10 minus 100, which equals negative 90, and then subtract 10. Finally, the value of this expression is negative 100. Therefore, option A is the correct answer to this question.